These hot chocolate bombs were super fun to make. They're super cute and so delish when exploded in milk. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome back to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a really fun and interesting tutorial on how to make hot chocolate bombs. So here I have a circular silicone mold. I have white chocolate and dark chocolate. I'm going to start using the white chocolate, dip a brush and make circular designs into the mold. Start from the bottom, coming all the way up. I'm just really lightly brushing it because I just want the circular designs to show out. Now once the white chocolate is slightly dried, I'm adding dark chocolate on top of the white chocolate. I'm going to completely cover the mold. Now I'm going to paint one more layer of the dark chocolate, making sure the chocolate is completely covered in the circle. The molds are now covered in chocolate. I'm going to pop this in the fridge for about 5 minutes just to harden the chocolate. So the chocolate is now firm. I'm going to gently demold the chocolate. So now I'm going to very lightly heat a pan and then just turn it off. So I'm now going to take 1/2 of a chocolate sphere, lightly just put it on the pan for literally a second. The edges are all clean now. I'm going to add some hot chocolate powder and a few marshmallows. Now I'm taking the other half, repeating the same on the pan, and close the globe. Lightly press it so the edges are all stuck. Now I'm going to repeat the same with the rest. So I've now placed the chocolate bombs on a greaseproof paper. I'm going to make a tiny little cone from this parchment paper. Pour some chocolate over the opening and make a small tiny hole. Now make some rough lines on the chocolate bombs with the chocolate. Now add some sprinkles. So my hot chocolate bombs are now ready. I'm going to show you why they're called hot chocolate bombs and how they actually work now. Add hot milk in a mug. Now the fun bit, drop a chocolate bomb and wait for it to explode. These hot chocolate bombs were super fun to make. They're super cute and so delish when exploded in milk. Why not treat your little one to some magic in milk? Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.